Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. So today I don't have my other camera because my husband's working on my computer. So I have my hand camera. Now what I'm going to do is make a necklace. But these are little connectors, filigree connectors, and I'm going to use my glass cabochon, but I'm going to paint it probably purple. And these used to be gold, and I'll be putting the links for all the pieces that I have below in the description box. So you can see a little bit of gold, but that's okay. It's going to be covered. What I had done was got some Mira Finish spray paint and sprayed them. And it's easy when it's filigree because you just put some wire and you can get the back and the front. But what I'm going to do is I'm taking my glass cabochon, which I haven't painted, and I'm sorry it's not on a tripod, it's handheld. I'm going to glue this after I set that up and glue it, and once it's dry, I'm going to get one of the glass cabochons and paint them. Okay, so my second one will be this crescent moon. And this is a filigree. Again, it used to be gold. And again, I'll put the links below in the description box. And then another glass cabochon, which I am going to glue over here. So here I have them. Now, this is a purple. I know it looks more blue, probably. I'm not sure why. But so now I got my camera, I got my computer back so I can do this better. I have my webcam on the tripod, so sorry about earlier. It was the only way. My husband had to fix something on my computer. Okay, so the glass cabochon pendants, I painted one a purple and one a black. And then I use a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol to get any finger smudges or glue out of the way. Now these shapes, these are the way they look. They come in these shapes, but unfortunately it's all gold. Now you can spray paint it with the Mira Finish spray paint. I think this is Krylon or Rust-Oleum. Either way, it has to be a Mira Finish. Turn them into something quite different. Okay, so now what I done was I attached that with a 4mm jump ring and a 6mm for there. And now what you can do, because these have a few loops, they have 5 loops here, so you can get like 3 pieces or 2 pieces of chain on either side and do something like that. But because I don't have enough of the purple chain, I'm just going to go directly in the middle and then attach with 2 4mm jump rings. Okay, so I've gone ahead and attached it with 2 4mm jump rings. Now for this part. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and attached everything. Now you don't have to have these pieces. You could simply attach them. I went ahead and attached 2 6mm jump rings to each end, and then on the other end to the 6mm jump ring I attached the rounded clasp. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a charm. It's a crescent moon with a star, and I'm going to attach it with a 4mm jump ring right to the bottom. Okay, so I got the little crescent moon with the little star on it. I was going to hang a little star charm, but I just thought that was just good enough because it kind of, you know, was going with the crescent moon shape up here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut probably about maybe 3 inches of chain and put it on each side so that it's dripping. And this doesn't have any beads, and it's okay to mix and match. So now I'm going to get some 4mm jump rings and attach them. So I think I need about 4 of them. Here it is. It's all finished. I added a charm on the bottom, and I added a 3-inch piece chain that I did from end to end, and there it is. Okay, so I'm giving you a look. See, it truly is a purple. See, it truly is a purple. See that nice purple color? I took it away from the ring light and my work light. And there it is, it's finished. And it's purple, you can see the color with the daylight. So now with this next one that I did, and I showed you the pieces, again, this was part of this set. We're going to attach this chain. Now this is the chain I got from BB Craft. It came in 5 packages. They do have this, and I will put the link below. And also, I have a discount code for this. If you go look at the review that I did for the 5-piece chain from BB Craft in my review playlist, you will see the code, and that's good till 2025. So you'll want to definitely check that out if you decide to order this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a few different pieces because I don't want this to be just a plain old one. I want this to be kind of a lariat. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to attach 2 6mm jump rings and a clasp. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and attached 2 jump rings and a clasp on one side, and I'm going to see how this fits. If it's too long, I have to shorten it by removing some links of the chain. So here it is. I made the lariat. Now this is more of a choker than a necklace, but I can make this looser. I can add more and let it just droop down a little, or I can remove one of these links and then make this longer, which I might actually do. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the final result. I added about 2 links to either side to make it just a little bit longer, and that's the lariat and the pendant. And remember to look below for all the links to all the things that I showed you. And remember to be subscribed and click that notification bell, as well as remember to like this tutorial if you enjoyed it and share this with anyone you know that might be interested. And don't forget to look below for those links. Thanks for watching. Bye.